Good morning from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and this is the daily DoorDash journey through the desert. It has been a while since I've connected with you with this medium, with the daily journey through the desert, and it's mainly because I've been just in a whirlwind out in the desert, trying to run the household, trying to do DoorDash, trying to set up a mobile office, ordering equipment, looking at all the specs, etc., trying to stay connected with all of my friends, and it has just been a whirlwind. And I wanted to share something because whenever this type of stuff happens, whenever you're pursuing your dream, whenever you're making progress, it just seems like everything is happening at once, and it seems like it's designed to try and bring you back in a natural state of feeling comfortable, of not wanting to make progress, of going back to a place of safety and saying, you know what, maybe this isn't worth it, it's just too much, my plate cannot handle anymore. Take something off and you end up giving up your dream. Well, for me, I believe with all of my heart, because I've only got 30, 40 years left on this planet, that it's my destiny to share the information that I've gathered about DoorDash and life experiences, and just share it with individuals, and if it can give them a hand up, if it can help them, fantastic. I apologize for the road noise. That will all change, but not for a little while now. Getting back on track. I've noticed that whenever all this stuff happens, things happen in the natural elements. It's usually temperatures start dropping, clouds start moving into the valley, snowstorms, well, rain, cold rain. We don't have snow in Arizona, but you get the picture. It's things happen, things that will try and drive you back into that state of saying, I give up. You win, I can't do this anymore. Well, I'm recognizing this, and I'm like, you know what? I'm at that point where there's a potential breakthrough, where things are going to change, and this is almost like you get to the last 100 feet of the mountain, and you notice that it was a steep incline up to the pinnacle, but once you're ready to reach that pinnacle, it's almost like a sheer cliff. And it's almost like it's naturally designed to drive you back and say you are not going to reach that pinnacle. And that's where I feel that I'm at right now. Not a pinnacle for the gig community, not a pinnacle in society, but a pinnacle inside of my life, a fulfillment of the destiny that was placed inside of my heart, that thing that they call the dream. And that dream is something that's very intimate. It fulfills a need that you have, while at the same time helping others see that it's achievable and it can be done. So, as you see, I'm in a different angle today. We flipped the camera over to the left side above the steering wheel. We have a tablet mount. There's going to be a laptop, camera, dash cam, computer, all this stuff is happening, and a lot of stuff showed up last night. I got a camera last night, and I got 2 bags and a box in the back of other stuff, so we're going to be tinkering around with this, so the numbers tomorrow may not be good either. So I've got a lot to do with that. I'm going to let you go. I hope you're well. I will keep you updated, keep you posted, but do not let these elements that are around you drive you back into that comfort zone. Stay focused. Stay focused and do your best to try and achieve your dreams. With that, I'm going to let you go. I hope all is well. I hope that you're with your loved ones. I hope that you are pursuing your dreams. And with that, I'm going to let you go.